Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm going to do something a little different than what I usually use the channel for. And instead of having a group break video, this is just going to be kind of a personal rip. Something that I've been sitting on for quite a while, and I've been eagerly waiting to open it, just trying to find the right time, or time in general. But it is a box of 1997 Pinnacle X-Press, but this is I forget what they call this pack out, the home plate box. I don't remember. But the reason why I was so interested in opening one of these, as you can see right here on the front, it includes a die-cast metal card, or I believe they're called Metalworks. I've always been a fan of cards that are made of other materials other than paper or cardboard, or even chrome. I guess it was 96 leaf preferred that had the metal insert cards. I guess that's what really kicked off my love for things other than normal baseball cards. But whether it's lenticular or acetate or wood, you name it, if it's something other than a regular cardboard card, I've always enjoyed it. So it should go pretty quick, because in the box is just the one Metalworks card, a 8-card master deck, and an 8-card hobby pack, and 2 game cards. Express was kind of made into an early TCG, if you will, collectible trading card game. I never messed with any of those aspects, but enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get started. I do have, excuse me, a total of 3. I got really lucky, and I've had one that I purchased online, and then I found 2 at a local shop that I frequent a couple of times a year. And they were $5 a piece. So I thought the $10 or $15 that I paid for one of them was a good deal, but the $5 by far trumps that. So while I've opened plenty of this product in the past, first time opening this style box. Alrighty, so here we go. Everything's slid around a little bit, but there's our one pack. Here is our metal. Holy crap, this card is heavy. And it's a Braves too. Even better. Kenny Lofton. Yeah, it looks like they put a little hot glue on there to keep them in place. So that should be able to come off. Let's get the little die cut stars there, 19 of 20. God, this, I kid you not, this card has some weight to it. And then here is the master deck, which again, I never opened any of these. These I don't think were in the regular boxes. So let's go ahead and see what the master deck is all about. Okay, so we have some base cards. We got us a Greg Maddux, Marquise Grissom, Mariano Rivera, Andy Pettit, Ray Durham, and we even got an insert parallel. We have Pudge Rodriguez. These are the boys of the summer, men of summer, excuse me. They graduated. Men of Summer parallel. And then these are one of the game cards that you would use. And then an Edgar Martinez and an Alex Fernandez. So really nothing too spectacular about the master deck. Next up, we have Jeter, Kenny Lofton, Vinny Castilla, Andy Ashby, John Smoltz. Have a game card, booster points, a Mike Messina, Troy Percival, and Tom Glavine. So that is the contents. Essentially, you get 2 packs of cards and the Metalworks. So there you go. We'll open the other 2, but I don't think I'm going to bother opening the packs. I probably will throw those into one of my affordable group breaks that I host on my Facebook page and my Facebook group. And because I'm really just interested in these Metalworks cards. That's the whole reason I bought these. Nothing else. So let's close this one up. Second box. I kind of like the packaging though. Alrighty. And the card came loose again, not surprised. This time we have Albert Bell for the White Sox. This darn lid. Let's stay up. So Albert Bell, just got a big chunk of glue on it as well. I'll have to peel off. Number 13 of 20. Nice. And then I'm going to set our 2 packs aside. And the final box. Feel that metal card sliding around too. And Jeff Bagwell. Pretty cool. 20 of 12, or 12 of 20, excuse me. And this one's got a spot here that looks like is that some kind of oxidation? I don't know. There's no glue on this one. Don't really even see any glue on that box in there, so interesting. So let's pull those packs out. I think these come in variations too. I think there's silver and gold. These are obviously all bronze, but yeah, these are very cool. I'm not sure how I'm going to display these or store these, but here we go. At least now I know what they look like hands-on. So quick video, but I might do a few more of these in the coming weeks or so. But thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you on the next video.